Namaskaram friends. Today it is 17th Divya Desam. It's about Perumal Sauri Raja Perumal or Neelamega Perumal. The temple is located in Nagapattinam, some kilometers away from Nagapattinam. The temple's name is Thirukannapuram. This is one of the Krishna Kshetram. I would have explained the 5 Krishna Kshetrams. This is one of the 5 Krishna Kshetrams. And this temple is located near the bank of a big Tirtham, and the temple itself will be in a beautiful location. The temple is beautiful, the Tirtham in front of the temple will be very beautiful. Let's see the details. We all know that Lord Narayana is a Alangara Priya and Lord Shiva is a Abhisheka Priya. What is Alangara Priya? He has desires to ornamentation. And Lord Shiva is desirous to anointment, Abhishekam. So here we can see Perumal with big wig, we say Sauri in Tamil, on his head. He'll look very beautiful. Let's see the reason why he has a big wig. There was a priest who used to garland Perumal daily. And after the pujas and worship, everything, at the end of the day, he used to offer that garland to his lover. Priest had a lover and he used to offer that garland to his lover. And she used to own the garland, the flowers. But king also sometimes used to worship the temple. But that day, since it was too late, priest thought that no, king will not arrive, and he offered the flowers that was owned to Perumal to his lover. But then this king came. He was afraid that king may get angry if he didn't offer the flowers to him. So he asked his lover to hand over the flowers back. She was already owned it on her head, but still she gave it in the fear of king. Later king noticed there was one hair in that garland. When he inquired this priest, the priest said, maybe it belongs to Perumal. King wants to test this, otherwise he wants to punish this priest. So the next day morning he came to the temple. Meantime, priest surrendered to Lord Vishnu's feet to save him. Lord Vishnu, we know, he takes care of the people who doesn't worship him also. When someone surrenders to his feet, will he not help him? What he did when king came and saw Vishnu's head, he tried to pull the wig and blood sprouted out from his head slightly. And then he believed it was a real hair Perumal had. So that's how Perumal saved this priest. So hence he gets the name Sauri Perumal. How beautiful, the incident is. That's how he saves his devotees. He saves the entire world, not just his devotees, but if we surrender to him, he will take care. And so that's the one of the incident relating to the name Sauri Perumal here. Let me tell the other story. In Padma Purana, there was a king called Vasu. He had the ability to fly. He was killing the demons who was troubling the crowd. While flying over the place, he mistook some sages as demons and attacked them. And the sages went to Vishnu to save them from this king because he doesn't know to whom to kill. So Lord Vishnu takes 16-year-old boy appearance and he defeated Vasu, the king Vasu. It took a bit of time for Vasu to believe that it was Vishnu, and later when he realized that it was Vishnu who defeated him, he wanted to marry his daughter to Lord Vishnu. So here the Tayar's name is Thirukannapura Nayagi. So that's another incident. Now let's see the architecture of the temple. It is a very, as I said, the Gopuram is very big one, and it has a very big Tirtham also. Lot of Alvas have sung the Pasurams here. Alvar has admired Lord Vishnu, and he also used to offer flowers to him. And he says, only if Lord Vishnu wears these flowers, the flower looks beautiful, and none others, if they wear these flowers, it will look nice. So that's the immense bhakti they had on God. The Vimanam name is Utpavala Vimanam. Here, this place is also called as Keelaveedu. Srirangam is known as Melaveedu. Thirukannapuram is called as Keelaveedu. So here Perumal's name is Sauri Perumal. That is mainly, if you see, processional deity's name is Sauri Perumal. Taya's name is Thirukannapuranayagi. This is again one of the Krishna Kshetram. Lot of Alvas have sung the pasarams here. Kulasekara Alvar has sung a notable number of pasarams, around 10 pasarams he has sung. He has also sung Thalatu songs, imagining God, Lord as a small baby. He has sung the Thalatu songs also. Okay, for the note that I started telling for the past few days, I would have mentioned in my previous video about Sri Suttam written by Vedanta Desigar. Vedanta Desigar was one who wrote lot of literary works for us, for mainly Vaishnavas, Vaishnavites, and all his works are very, very prominent ones. So one was Sri Suttam, the other one was Bhu Suttam. In that, we know the different names given for Mahalakshmi. She also has Shastra names. No, she has lot of names, right? Like that, Bhudevi is Nachiyar in Andal, no? Is one of the Bhudevi form. He would have narrated in Bhu Suttam for Bhudevi with many names. So I have noted some names which I thought I can give us today's note. Some names are Vishnu Patni, Madhavi, Madhava Priya, Vipula, Vasumati, Vasudha, Vishwamdara. These are few names of Bhudevi Nachiyar, narrated by Vedanta Desigar in Bhu Suttam. He has written lot of literary works. We need to, just to know his work itself will take lot of time, because he has done that many works. I want to specify each of his work in everyday notes. Let's see. But for today, it is something we have to note about Bhu Suttam, and how in Bhu Suttam he has narrated Bhudevi Amma. Thank you, friends. See you all tomorrow. Namaskaram.